What are AOSP and custom ROMs in Android versions? Imagine building a house from scratch. You start with a basic framework, then add your own rooms, paint, and furniture to make it just right. That's similar to how Android operating systems are created and customized. Today, we're going to explore what AOSP and custom ROMs are and how they fit into Android versions and mobile devices. The Android Open Source Project, or AOSP, is like the blueprint for Android. It's the open source code that includes the core parts needed to run an Android device. This code has the Linux kernel, which is the foundation, along with hardware support, libraries, and the Android runtime. Developers and device makers use AOSP to create their own Android versions. But AOSP itself doesn't have Google's apps like Gmail, Google Maps, or the Play Store. Those are part of Google mobile services, which need special licensing. Custom ROMs are modified versions of Android built by third-party developers or communities. They start with the AOSP code as a base but add extra features, change how the user interface looks, or improve performance. Some custom ROMs aim to give a more stock Android experience, while others are heavily customized with new themes, tools, or privacy options. People often use custom ROMs to breathe new life into older devices, remove pre-installed apps they don't want, or get access to features not available in official versions. AOSP is maintained mainly by Google and acts as the official open-source foundation of Android. It provides a consistent base for manufacturers and developers to work from. Custom ROMs, on the other hand, take this base and modify it to suit specific needs or preferences. For example, a custom ROM might include better battery life, faster performance, or a different look and feel. Stock Android versions from Google or device makers like Samsung or OnePlus are usually based on AOSP but include proprietary apps and custom interfaces. Device manufacturers use AOSP to develop their own Android versions tailored to their hardware. They add necessary drivers and proprietary apps to make their devices work smoothly. Developers and tech enthusiasts create custom ROMs to extend device life, experiment with new features, or customize the user experience. Many users who want more control over their phones or want to avoid bloatware often turn to custom ROMs. In simple terms, AOSP is the open source core of Android, giving everyone a starting point. Custom ROMs are the personalized versions built on that core, offering different features and looks. This open approach helps Android stay flexible and adaptable across countless devices and user needs.